pretty. This guy's cute too.
That one has anchors.
Hi, birdie.
Put it back.
Yeah, that feeds you.
Oh yeah. Mix and match all those different ones.
Or like that, I don't know. That'd be pretty.
Look at all the quilts on the wall.
Oh wow.
Chickens are cute.
Yeah, I like the chickens. Look at this one.
Oh wow.
Kit available. Look, you can make it.
Oh, that's neat.
Is that all that's all that you need to make it?
I don't know.
Yeah. $120.
It's really pretty though. I always like these guys, these black sharks.
I like those.
Yeah.
Are those freshwater?
Yeah, they're freshwater. I think they're more aggressive though. Look at these cute little guys.
Oh, angelfish. Ours is so big compared to them.
These are pretty. That's cool. Look at that big ZZ plant.